Man, my boy Braulio.
Yeah.
It's Braulio, right?
Yep, Braulio.
Mons, bro. My boy came all the way from freaking the Bay Area to pick up the mid pipe. He saw I was hurting. He saw, you know, all the problems I was having. He offered to come pick it up, man. But this is the man right here, bro. This is the man. I'm gonna put his name on the bottom of the description. You guys should just add him, man. But yeah, basically, it's the Invidia mid pipe, upgraded X pipe. Let's go check out your whip, big dog. Let's go. My boy was smashing on the way up here. Like, basically pretty much like...
dirty, you know?
Oh, it's all good, bro. That means you drive it, bro.
Yeah, I already got something, you know?
Nice. Oh, you already got the axle back on it?
Yeah, I already got that. I just need the mid pipe.
Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Man, my boy was going, you know, pretty much on live, going like, you know, just under on the freeway. Savage shit. Damn.
All dirty, you know?
Bro, hey, those are the suicidal bugs, man. You know?
Get to a car wash after this.
Hell yeah. That's fucking dope. How long have you had it, brother?
Like a year.
Yeah?
Just got it.
What,
With the rear interior, too.
Beautiful, bro.
I had to get it with the rear interior.
Hello.
Hey.
It's your wife?
Yeah, that's my wife.
Go. Oh, bro, we got a lot of the same pieces already.
Yeah.
We got a lot of
Just
the...
getting there.
Hey.
Still gotta get the carbon fiber.
Right. Now they make this little piece, these pieces.
Yeah.
I pretty much have one more piece coming in. It's for the dash, bro. I don't know if you've seen that or not.
Yeah, I seen it.
Savage, bro.
I'm trying to do all that too to my car. Make it faster too.
That's right.
Yeah.
So what's up, my boy? Tell me a little bit about yourself. You trying to get on YouTube? What do you want to do?
I don't know nothing, bro. I don't know nothing about YouTube like that.
Yeah. Are you in the cart? Like you want to? Are you trying to get into the racing? What?
I'm just trying to make it better.
Okay.
Like, make it like upgrade it, make it better.
Dope. Dope. Now you picked a good platform, bro. It looks beautiful. You know, you throw a little lip kit on it.
Wrap it later on.
That's dope, bro. That's dope. What color you want to wrap it?
Probably it's like matte red.
Okay.
You know,
Matte red, bro.
Yeah, matte red. Yeah.
Sick. To match the tail lights, pretty much.
Yeah.
Dang, my boy. I can't believe it though, bro. Honestly, like, so you have anything done to the engine yet or
No,
not?
I haven't done nothing.
No?
But I'm getting there. You just got it for a year, you know.
Right. This thing is smashing, bro. I mean, you know, part of that's the driver, part of that's the car, you know, but you were smashing, bro. Smashing, bro. Killing it. Hell yeah. Love it, bro. I love it. I honestly, you're the first person I've seen going pretty. Like the first person. I'm about to repost that actually, bro. I'm about to repost it.
I'll send it to you.
It's just badass, bro. Oh yeah. Bro, you're clutch, my boy. How old are you, bro?
22.
22. Man, you're doing big things, bro.
Yeah.
Big things, bro. I can't believe you came all the way from freaking Bay Area, big dog. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Okay.
bro.